What's up? Okay, guys, it's me. It's me, Emma. I'm back, and yeah. So, yeah, and well, I took my bird out of its cage with my sisters, and I'm playing with my mom's shoe. I don't know why. So, yeah. And there's my bird over there. I don't know if you can see him. I mean, her. At first I thought it was a boy. So I named it Blizzard. But it's a girl. So, yeah. It's a girl. So I named it Snow. So in this, okay, tomorrow, guys, okay, tomorrow, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Tomorrow I'm getting another bird. Yes. Okay, you know what? Hold on. Sorry about that. Just went to go get something. And it's 6 something. So yeah, and well, it's 6 something. So yeah, and this weekend I am getting another bird. My sister gets to name it this time, because I named my first bird, but they're both mine. So I'm going to have 2 to look after. And so yeah. Look. I don't even fit. Whatever. So I'm a little sick. I think. Oh yeah. So yeah, and I might bring you along for.
Smells like something blew up in here.
You're a sick person.
That's Henry. He wants the hologram chat.
So yeah.
I'll take it. Hey, Henry. What's up?
Bad news. I can't come to work for the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
I'm really sorry, but I got grounded and my parents are only letting me go to school. That's it.
I volunteer to fill in as your sidekick.
No.
Come on! We could be Captain Man and Shazam! Bro, stop!
I'm sorry.
So yeah.
I was telling you that I'm grounded, so I can't be your sidekick for 2
So, yeah.
weeks.
Oh, yeah. Bummer.
And I might bring you guys along.
This new barbecue place downtown. Gotta get you a big metal slab of ribs.
I'll order some ribs and have them delivered.
Cool. Later, Henry.
But who's gonna help me fight crime while I'm grounded?
I can handle things.
Ray, you want beef ribs or pork?
Pork. Henry, I gotta go.
Bye, Henry. Wait,
So
I want ribs.
I want one.
I hate being grounded. Thanks a lot. Well, I would have told on you if you hadn't told on me.
So yeah. So yeah.
What happened to your couch?
Just help me.
So yeah. And I might bring you guys along. for the
Hey,
thing.
what's
Or
Jasper
maybe
doing
not.
here? You're grounded.
I don't know.
Mom said that Jasper and Charlotte can still come over.
No one asked me how I feel about it.
That is true.
Henry's gonna help me make life hack videos.
No, I'm not.
What
Yeah.
are life hack videos?
Oh, you're so old.
So
A life
yeah.
hack is when, like, you have a problem. You know, it's like a cool, quick fix.
Right, like, let's say you gotta pee, but there's no bathroom nearby. Pee in a jar. Life hack.
Oh, so yeah.
I'm going for a walk.
And, hold on.
No, I do. All right.
What the? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you something.
I really don't want to help you make life. Yo.
Need to brush your teeth, but you're out of toothpaste? Get some mayonnaise. Pick some fresh mint from your garden. Grab some sand from a beach or playground. Combine and blend. Life hack.
Anywho,
Buy some more toothpaste.
Just turn off the camera.
well, let's go over here. Hey, Snow. There's Snow. My little baby Snow. Hi, Snow.
So, you have 2 children. Oh, yeah. I'm sure. It's really the one. Don't close that door. I made it. Sorry. What did you say?
It's okay, Snow.
Yes. On the way home from school, I think I'm
Come
going
here.
to talk to You slammed the door on my face. What you make me so mad? No, I'm going upstairs. You do this.
Oops.
They don't really talk to each other that way. They're just perfect for school playing.
Are you lying to us?
Yes.
Henry, I'd like you to meet Elaine Morazzo and Parnell Shumash.
Well, I gotta go, so
They're in charge of Swellview
bye,
today.
guys.
Us to be the Swellview family of the week.
Bye.